it up one more time for Innovibes, all my Jamaicans, all my Haitians. Stand up, yeah.
People don't understand, I'm finishing my plan, holding my dreams and my hand tucked to pause. Sweet cassette, film play, package and pause. I do it just because
I don't wanna be what you are.
So I'm yes, I'm yes, and I'm progressing, but forever and a day, I never pass away. Cause I always get away in my shed, get away. Belle time for machine when the parfum, see la ligne.
No, I'm not crazy, I'm not trying to save the world, but it seems like lately it changes what we need to be free, free, singing on me clean. Thought I only rapped and had no melodies. Well, I see who I wanna be in peace and love and prosperity. Unified nations, even in Iraq. Repatriation for whites and blacks, yellows and golds, even dogs and cats. Since nobody does, I got your back. Whoa, don't be lazy. We got more than we give the light.
To life, to life.
Children are starving, people are robbing for the rain to rise. That ain't love, and this ain't life. Do we need an Obama to set us free? Little loving, people are struggling, looking for changes in our destiny. No more hustling and no gun busting. Why can't we be all we can be without the army or the military? All we need is you, him, and me to set us free. That's what we need. We need an Obama to set us free. Little loving, people are struggling, looking for changes in our destiny. No more hustling, no gun busting. Why can't we be all we can be without the army or the military? All we need is you, him, and me to set us free. It's what we need.
Yeah, yeah.
Need it Obama.
Check out Stash. Right.
Amazing.
I love it, I love it.
Yeah, yeah.
I love it.
Check out, check
Give
that
it
out.
up one more time for Innovibes, all my Jamaicans, all my Haitians. Stand up, yeah.
Now, go ahead. Now, this was, of course, a historic moment for everybody all across the countries. How do you think that this election and this president is doing to bring all countries together, like you guys brought Jamaica and Haiti together?
Well, definitely. Well, basically, you know what I mean? I feel like it's not really more so about Obama. It's more so about the movement. And this is what he was trying to say in his speeches. You know what I mean? We're just happy that Obama has reached everybody and the Caribbean feels like Obama is the new savior in terms of what he's bringing to the table, not him himself. But I mean, it's just a new vibe, new movement for the Caribbean, for America, for everybody. This is what we do, man.
In a vibe.
We want to have my man translate it for us.
Yeah, c'est pas ça le dit pour haïtien qui écoute, c'est pas seulement Obama, c'est un mouvement qui n'a mis deux ensemble pour tout le monde qui écoute. So Haïti, nous besoin tout le monde venir seul pour nous faire seul one. So nous supporter mouvement positif là pour nous apporter changement dans communauté noire.
And basically, what he said was just a translation.
Shout out to the Roxy Society.
Good luck. We appreciate everybody across the world watching right now, and of course the festivities are going to keep on going right here.
Don't move, y'all. It's B.E.T's 106 and Park.
Stop by saying.